Good afternoon, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Phone number here to the dealership is 352-694-1234, and we are centrally located at 2261 Southwest College Road here in Ocala. And when you arrive and see that pretty flag waving, you're at Prestige. Here I want you to say hi to a fresh arrival. I just pulled up in it from picking up from the family's house. Local retirees that purchased it new. This is a 2020 Land Rover Discovery Smoke-Free Cabin, clean CARFAX, and a whopping 6,000 miles. Just a nice vehicle, and we will certainly be cleaning if that's possible. But rubber floor mats, just a nice car from a nice local family. This is a 2020 Discovery SE, 6,000 miles, Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. We love trade-ins. We've got some fantastic local credit unions, some great national lenders, and we even have Chris Credit for families with new and rebuilding credit. But this would be a great opportunity if you don't want to wait months on a new one and you'd like to save some money on top of that. Here's a 2020 with 6,000 miles. Just absolutely a nice opportunity for somebody. This is Chris. We'll see you at the store.